thunderstorm warning for northwestern Polk County in central Iowa until 11:30 p.m. At 11:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Polk City, 47 miles north of Johnston, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Severe weather has been reported by the public. A personal weather station reported a 60 miles per hour wind gust at 11:02 p.m. near Big Creek. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ankeny, Polk City, Granger, Silorville Lake, Big Creek Lake, Elkhart, Allemande, and Big Creek State Park. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 92 and 101. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:30 p.m. for the following county: Polk,